Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily use the application Razer Synapse for your Razer keyboard. So this is the main menu of our application, which is Synapse here, and to use it with your keyboard, at first you have to tap on your keyboard as a device. Here we have three main options: Customize, Lighting and Power. In Customize section, we have the HyperShift standard options, and as you can see, configure Razer HyperShift shortcuts here. Enjoy an extra set of buttons using the Razer HyperShift key. Here in standard mode, we have gaming mode, and we can enable gaming mode, enable in game. And as you can see, we have three modes: disable Windows key, disable Alt tab, disable Alt +4, F4, and here, apart from that, we have Snap Tab. The Snap Tab is a function which prevents the selected keys from registering simultaneously, overriding the former's held down key with the latter. We can enable that using this switch, and here we have the Q, D and plus. We can add a new set, and for example, we can tap some buttons. We can delete these buttons too, and disable it. Here we have the keyboard properties, and we can open just Windows keyboard properties. Here we have HyperShift multi-device pairing, and if we tap that, we can pair it using the HyperShift wireless dongle with another device. And apart from that, we have the lighting section, and here we have the brightness of our keys. We can increase it and lower it. As you can see, our brightness is being disabled after setting its value to 0. Here we have switch off lighting, and when display is turned off, or when it's idle for, and here minutes. We can set this value from 1 to 15, and we can check both options. Apart from that, we have effects, which is just RGB effects, and we can set quick effects from this list or set up advanced effects, and we have a video for that. Here we have the power, and in the power section we have the power saving mode, and device will turn off after this value of minutes of inactivity when running on battery, and we can set it from 15 to 60 with the slider. And here we have dim lighting, one wireless dim lighting with idle 4 and the value of minutes. And this is the quick review of the Razer Synapse application. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.